Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an Asos box to share with you and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be unboxing this and telling you all about it, but if you know everything there is to know about the Asos box and you're just curious and seeing what I received, I'll put a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So this is the City Break box and it costs £12. And inside contains 5 beauty items. All the items inside the Asos boxes can be bought on their website. It's not a subscription, they just release these boxes once a month, usually the very first of the month, but sometimes they're a day or two late. But they're a monthly box that you can see exactly what's inside the box, so you have the option then. If you like it, you get it. If not, then you don't have to. You just need to sign up to create an account and you're good to go. They've been doing these boxes now for 18 months or so, I think. I have got a huge playlist on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing what previous boxes have been like, you're welcome to check them out. But they also come out with special editions, collaboration boxes now and again, and the prices tend to go up to either £15 or £18. Like in the past, we've had Bobbi Brown, we've had Clinique, we've had Pixie, Makeup Revolution, and I think, what was the last one? Deciem. It was, yeah, we had items from Neod and The Ordinary, which is amazing. Now these boxes do tend to sell out super fast. It depends on the contents. The collaboration boxes, they only last a couple of days before they are completely sold out. But this box is still available online. I should have received this box last week. I think I was able to get it on the Monday and I think I should have received it on the Tuesday because I pay, it's £9.99 and that entitles me to free next day delivery for a whole year. I have to order between a certain time, but I ordered it around lunchtime, so I should have had it on the Tuesday. But it was a bit of a cock up and yeah. So apologies for it being a little bit late, but it is still available on the website. So if you are interested in getting it for yourself, then it's still there. If you sign up to the Asos app and click notifications, then you will be sent a notification telling you when this box is available. But they tell you a day or two after it's released, which is okay because they're letting you know, but sometimes because they sell out super fast, it's just too late. So as soon as I find out about them, or if one of you lovely lot have messaged me to say, Claire, it's been released, then I will let you know straight away on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. On my Facebook page, I can put a direct link there so you're able to click on it and get it straight away if it's something that takes your fancy. So from the 1st of every month, I'm constantly like, is it there yet? No. An hour later, is it there yet? No. So I'm on that website all the time from the 1st, so because I don't want to miss out on it. So I think that's enough of me blabbing on. If there's anything I've missed out, I will let you know, but I'll put links and everything down in the description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more. Bring that up and all information and links will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I got inside. So inside the box we get a little leaflet and it just tells you about the products in the box. Doesn't go into detail, it just tells you a little bit of information. Like, I'll just give you the first few lines of what this box is about, but it says, pack your bags. From in-flight skincare to travel-friendly kits, this month's Asos Face and Beauty box has all the beauty bits you need for your next holiday. And then it goes into telling you everything about the products. Ooh. Just a sneak peek to show you first. So if I can find these products on their website, I'll pop that down in the description box as well. So if you want to read up a little bit more about the products before you decide if this box is for you or not. But the first item is a hand cream by Cowshed, and this is Refresh. And it's with shea, grapefruit and coriander. And we've got 50ml there. Now I'm a bit dubious about this brand because I think I've tried, I'm sure it's hand creams before, and they've been quite smelly. I don't like it. I don't know what the smell is, I can't remember what it is now, but I remember like trying it and being like, ooh, I don't like it. Oh, it feels lovely though. Oh, that feels so nice. No, the smell isn't that bad. The smell is alright actually. It's nice, it's something I would use. Oh, I do like it on my hands though. That feels like a really nice thick hand cream. Perfect for now with like coronavirus and everything, isn't it, going around. So I'm constantly washing my hands. So all here is really, really dry, really dry. I think it was a white packaged hand cream I had last time. Oh, it could be a year or two ago, so who knows. But yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. So that's the first item. Next we've got a balancing cleanser by Alpha H, and it's got aloe vera and we got 30ml there. Alpha H is an amazing skincare brand. It can be quite pricey as well, but it says here, a gentle creamy lotion which removes all traces of face and eye makeup while rebalancing the skin. This non-greasy cleanser has a 3-in-1 action that gently cleanses without drying or irritating the skin, whilst vitamin E and aloe vera provides ongoing hydration throughout the day. And it just says here, dampen face and apply cleanser, massage over the entire face and remove with a warm damp face cloth. Then we've got a return of a set that I received, I'm sure it was last year, I'm sure it was, or unless it was the year before, in an Asos box. So we've got it again, and it is good. It is really good. Normally, if I have too many repeats, it's like a little bit boring unless it's a product I absolutely love. And I was really impressed with this. This is Serum Moisture, and it's by Dr. Jart. It's Korean skincare brand, and we've got a 3-step here. A ceramidin liquid, which is a toner. We've got a ceramidin cream, which is a moisturizer, and we've got a ceramidin serum, which is a skin serum, and used together they are gorgeous. They are really lovely. So is there any information I can tell you about them? No, nothing. And no, except for that they're just really nice. Hold on, let me have a look online just so that I can just tell you if there's a particular skin type that it's supposed to be good for. Oh, it's got it here. You can actually buy this set on Asos for £12. Targets dry skin and offers long-term hydration, leaves skin looking soft, smooth and firm, and contains a toner, serum and cream. Yeah. So we got one of those. Next we've got a product by Ouai Hair Care. I think that's how you say it. Ouai. I'm not sure. Wave Spray, and it's 30 mils. It's 30 mils. Tiny, writing, a weightless texture mist for effortlessly chic, undone hair. Sodium chloride free. And that is it. It doesn't really say how to use it either. So yeah, so it's like a beach wave type hairspray, like a Salt's hairspray, I'm assuming. So there's that. And lastly, we've got something which has intrigued me. It's by OOK, and it's a Korean sheet mask brand, and it's a Soothe and Relax Beauty Sleep Sheet Mask with hyaluronic acid, lavender and chamomile. So it's a face mask that you wear all throughout the night. So it intrigues me because how the heck can you stay in your face? I'm a wriggler. I'm constantly back and forth on my front, on my back. So I don't know. I am taking it too literally. I feel a fool. Feel a fool. It's just supposed to help you off to sleep. It's not supposed to be worn while you sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Suitable for daily use, soothes and calms, locks in moisture. Yeah, you just put it on your face, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse off. It's a sleep sheet mask because of the lavender and the chamomile. That sounds lovely though. Even so, it sounds really lovely. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. Here we go. So we've got a hand cream by Cowshed. We've got a ceramidin discovery set by Dr. Jart. We've got an OOK sleep sheet mask. We've got an Ouai Hair Care wave spray, and we've got an Alpha H balancing cleanser. So when it was first released on Asos last week, I was thinking, oh, it's not a box to blow me away with this month. Not really. The only 2 products that excited me was this set because I've had it before and it was lovely, and the Alpha H cleanser. This put me off because of the smelly one I had a year or so ago. The wave spray, yeah, for my type of hair. I've got very thin, fine hair. Not great for my type of hair. Not unless it's curled and I just want to give it a bit more crunch and texture. But yeah, it doesn't really do much for me. I thought this sleep mask was something that you wear overnight and you sleep in it, but obviously not. So I'm glad I got it. Really happy with this. Really happy. I think the only thing I will be giving away is the spray. So everything else we'll be trying, everything else I will be keeping. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get it? Or is it a box that you saw that you thought, no, it's not for me, it doesn't blow me away this month? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.